So the next topic would be, actually last na to, so very quick lang no, yung ating discussion. So we'll have more time to answer questions later. So we have some resources. So kung medyo blanco ka on where to start, so you can check out these websites. So you can check the US Environmental Protection Agency. They have a collection of methods for each matrix that you may want to, environmental matrix that you may want to analyze para at least alam mo yung ipe-prepare mo, bibilhin mo, ganyan, or ano yung mga technique na gagamitin. You also have the AFA-AWA or American Public Health Association, American Water Works Association standard method. So very popular to for the analysis of drinking water and both drinking water and wastewater. And then we also have other references like yung ASTM, AOAC for other samples like soil, ganyan. And then yung SMEW, ayan. So standard methods for the examination of water and wastewater. So, although we have those things though for the guidance, pero it will also be very important if we're going to be very specific to the Philippine context. We need to check the DNR administrative orders. For example, for chemists especially, and then yung mga nasa lab, or kung pang-regulatory yung function natin, or gusto natin maka-contribute sa policy, for example, we have to check this out, itong DAO 2016-012, kasi andito yung mga technique na ina-allow ng DNR. So for example, if you want to analyze these metals like cadmium, iron, lead, then ang i-allow ng DNR, kung gagamitin mo sa for regulatory purposes ay yung clay method lang. And then actually lahat ng binanggit ko kaninang mga ng mga common techniques. Tapos yung mga methods, yung mga step-by-step procedures nakalista rin dito. So again, you can just check them out. Yung US EPA most likely libre, pero itong mga SMEW, AOAC, AFA-AWA, kailangan mong bilhin. So yun nga lang yung caveat doon na kailangan mong budget for acquiring these standards.